Hello students, let's begin our today's class. Today we are going to discuss about another feature of landforms, that is valley. In previous class I had explained one of the feature of landform, that is mountain and its type. So going to discuss about valley. What is valley? A valley is a lowland between two mountains or hills which often has a river flowing through it. Suppose this is a mountain. So in between the two mountains or the hills, it is a valley is a lower part in land between two higher parts. It is a lower part between the two higher parts, which might be a mountain or a hill. So this is making a valley. This part of land makes the valley. Valleys are of different types: U-shaped valley, V-shaped valley, transverse valley, longitudinal valley, dry valley, hanging valley, rift valley. Many types of valleys are formed. So far as concerned with the formation of valley, if we take an example, suppose U-shaped valley, how it is formed? As first, the name already defining it, that the U-shaped means the valley is in shape of the alphabet U. Suppose this is a rock strip, mountain part, and in between the glacier is there. Glacier is melting. As we know that valleys always formed between the two mountains or the hills. So this is the part of mountain and in between the valley is formed. Now how that the glaciers are there? First we come to know what is glacier. A glacier is a mass of ice. Glaciers are the mass of ice that move slowly down a valley. So the mass of ice which is there in between the two mountains or the hills, due to its pressure or the weight, the part of the land get depressed or lowered its land, and it's make the shape of alphabet U. So this is the mass of ice which is melting downward, which melts downward and lowered the part and making a shape of U, alphabet U, which is called as U-shaped valley. Now going to discuss about the formation of rift valley. Rift valleys are formed because of the formation of block mountains. I already explained the formation of block mountains in previous chapter, where I explained the diagrammatic representation of geographical features, and also in previous lecture where I discussed about the formation of mountains or types of mountains. Three types of mountains are there which I explained, that fold mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. There also I explained how the block mountains are formed. So rift valleys are the result of block mountains. A rift valley is a linear depression created by the sinking of intermediate rocks between two parallel faults. With the help of diagram, we can better understand it can be formed in three stages. How? Let's see. That first one is layers of rocks are subjected to tension or stress. These are the layers of rocks are there which are subjected to tension because of the pressure or stress is there, then there a crack is developed on the earth layer of the rock. Later, next stage is faults or cracks develop in the layers of and central part begins to subside. Now, on the same rock strata or the layers of rocks, that these cracks develops and reach to the lower level of the rock or lower layer of the rock. Now, when it develops after a passage of time, what happens? This part start declining or sinking downwards. Then we find the third stage, that after subsidence a depression with steep sides is formed. What we get afterwards? A structure like this one. These are this part just decline or slopes downward or depressed downwards. So this, the uplifted remain part, which is we can see in the form of a block, is called as a block mountain and also called as horst. And the decline part or the depressed part is called as rift valley. So this is how it is also called as graben. This is how the rift valley is formed. So in this class we discussed about the how the valley, what is valley and how the valleys are formed. Different types of valley. I have given you example of U-shaped valley and explained you about the rift valley. One of the world famous rift valley of Africa is there. Now in next class I will explain you about the another landform, feature of landform, that is plateau. Till then just you watch the videos. If any clarification is required you can ask, and when I will instruct you in my lecture that you start doing the work in copy, then only you do the work. You have to write only the question answers or the book exercises such as define me, explain or differentiate. I will give you in notes, then you have to copy it. Nothing else you have to write in your geography copy, and you have to make an interleaf copy, that is one side plain and one side rule. You have to wait for my instruction when to start the work. What notes I have given, just you have to read. Nothing have to write in copy. Once I will tell you that you can write the question answer or the exercises, then you start writing in your copy. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.